Hey, John and Tanner. This is Scott Walker. Tanner did some cleaning of the windows and power washing at my house today, and I wanted to shoot you guys this video. It shows some tips and tricks that you guys can do in-house to help bring in more business using your website and Google Business Profile. I would appreciate to hear your feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies help and are educational for you. Here's your site right here. I do like that you guys have your call to act up here, and then your email, Instagram, and Google up here. It is good to try and convert just as soon as possible up at the top of the website so that people don't have to scroll down and come all the way down to here. But one thing I do recommend, the biggest suggestion anyways, is to have more content. Google loves to see content on your homepage. They recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words. And throughout that content, you want to add keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches. Where you're located, what services you offer, that kind of thing. Another good thing to do is if you save any photos or like your logo here, you save that as a keyword, that counts as content as well. So make sure all your photos are saved as, like Salt Lake City window cleaning or window cleaning Salt Lake City, those type of things. A buyer intent means that it has a service and a location. And I'll show you some examples of those later. I do recommend possibly getting a few more ways to submit a form or chat or something like that, just because some people like to talk, some people like to text, some people like to fill out an email application type of thing. So if you get a couple more form submits right up here, that would drive some more leads to you as well. I put your guys' website into a tool I use called Ahrefs. Pretty much goes over your analytics and kind of shows me where you guys are sitting. So this is the UR and the DR rating of your website. The UR is the strength and the DR is the trust that Google has for you. You usually want to have these increasing and balanced, and they're on a scale of 100. So you don't have a strength with Google, and your trust is pretty low. Usually that kind of goes into your backlinks and referring domains. And what a backlink is it's a website linking to another website via like a clickable button or text, but not all backlinks are created equal. There are some that are spammy, and then there's some that are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that are more authoritative and relevant to your industry, and then local to you as well. That'll really bring you some good trust. And as of right now, you're being indexed for 26 keywords, and you're getting 2 people to your website each and every month. So if we look at some of the keywords that you guys are being indexed for, like I said, solar panel cleaning, that's a good buyer intent keyword. There's just not a lot of volume that's going on right now, and this is Utah, so that's a state keyword instead of, like usually it's localized to a city or a county at the biggest, but sometimes you can do that. But like visible edge, just trying to look here, but a few of these I did want to bring your attention to is window cleaning Salt Lake City has 300 search volume a month, and then Salt Lake City window cleaning has 300 search volume a month. But the problem is when you guys get looked up, you're on the 3rd page of Google, and usually people don't really go to the 2nd page of Google, to be perfectly honest. But those are the good buyer intent keywords that you want on your website, and you want them more visible, and you could save them as pictures as well. So if we do look up, window cleaning Salt Lake City, you do get, your Google guaranteed ads up here, and then your local ads right here. These are a great place to get business quickly. But you guys are not here, and that's not a problem. But there's so many ways to get up here. Constantly adding reviews. You want to make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are consistent and the same across all of the internet. You really don't want to mislead Google. And there's a 750 character about us section at the bottom that you'll want to fill out. And don't forget to add keywords in that as well. Another thing that really helps Google is posting branded, geotagged, or geolocated photos as often as possible. Because then, it's showing that you're an organically working company. And then adding citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number. In things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and things like that, because Google is a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, it will make Google start to trust you more, and that will boost your business, but not only in your area, but the surrounding areas as well. And being in the Google Map Pack gives you about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website, and then they give you a call just from right here. And then we go down into the organics right here, which these are two directories. And then we have this home fish window cleaning. And this is their website right here. And, they have a decent amount of content. But if you start to implement these strategies and have more content on your site than theirs, you can start to outrank them. And, while adding your backlinks and citations, that's really going to help you get into that Google Map Pack. And then just kind of looking at some of the keywords that I would recommend. Like I showed earlier, window cleaning Salt Lake has 300 volume a month. Salt Lake City window cleaning has 300 a month. There's a few others in here that I would go through with you. But I mean, there's a decent amount of volume looking each and every month. And so once you start ranking above your competitors and being on the first page, you'll start getting a percentage of this total volume searching for these services. And then a percentage of that is going to give you a call. And then depending on your closing rate, they'll turn into a customer. So I definitely hope this video was helpful. I again would appreciate to hear your feedback and thoughts. I do appreciate your time. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for cleaning, getting that power washer and window cleaning done earlier. Have a good one, guys. Bye.